Do you wonder why your YouTube likes are disappearing? Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss tips about how YouTube works. Today, we're talking about a question many creators and viewers notice: why do YouTube likes disappear? The main reason likes vanish is that YouTube constantly works to maintain authentic engagement metrics. They want to make sure that every like represents a genuine viewer interaction, not spam or artificial activity. First, spam and bot detection. YouTube runs regular audits to remove likes that seem fake or suspicious. For example, if a video suddenly gets a rapid spike of likes, or multiple likes come from the same IP address or inactive accounts, the algorithm flags and removes them. Likes bought from third-party services are also targeted and removed because they violate YouTube's policies. Even like-for-like schemes, where users agree to like each other's videos without really watching them, can cause those likes to disappear. Second, user actions. Sometimes likes vanish simply because viewers change their minds and unliked a video. If a user deletes their account or YouTube terminates it for any reason, their likes will automatically disappear too. Accidental taps can also result in quick unlikes. Third, technical issues and glitches. Occasionally, the disappearance of likes isn't intentional. It might be due to a display delay, where the public like count is temporarily inaccurate even though the internal analytics show the correct number. Browser or app cache issues can also cause the like count to display incorrectly, and clearing your cache often fixes this. On rare occasions, platform-wide bugs may affect like counts temporarily. So, what does this all mean for creators and viewers? For creators, disappearing likes are usually YouTube's quality control system at work, ensuring that engagement metrics are real and meaningful. For viewers, if you notice your likes vanishing, it's often a matter of technical glitches or being signed into the wrong account. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more YouTube insights, and let me know in the comments if you've ever noticed your likes disappearing. I'd love to hear your experience and give tips to keep your engagement safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.